Hello everyone, this is our latest hot sale 2.5-inch IP camera with 1080 resolution, 2 mega, 5 times optical zooming with a special offer now. White light LEDs and 5 IR LEDs with full color night vision, and the night vision distance can be up to 60 meters. This camera has PTT function. So you see, it can turn around. Horizontal is 355 degrees and vertical is 90 degrees. So you can turn it around, controlled by a smartphone. You can see every corner around this camera. This camera has two pieces 5 dB strong antennas. You see this one and this one, to support strong Wi-Fi signals. More powerful. This camera it support local storage. It means SD card. You see how at the back side here, so up to 128 gigabyte here. This camera with two-way audio, with built-in microphone and the built-in speaker. You see here, built-in speaker and microphone as well. This camera we sell as whole set. Then for the whole set we have adapter, we have menu, all the other accessories like the QC pass, the certificate, the screws, and the protector, and certainly and the camera itself.